Alright, what's going on, everybody? So I haven't done a video in forever, but I've been learning how to do a whole lot of stuff, so I'm going to just share everything that I've been learning. All kinds of stuff. So yeah, okay, this is ClickBank. ClickBank is basically what TikTok Shop does, where everything you sell, you earn a commission off of. So here in this one, ClickBank has been around forever. It's very trusted. Some of the products, are whatever, more than others, So just do your own research and figure out what you want to sell before you sell it. But overall, it's legit. People made millions and millions of dollars off of this website. So anyway, it goes by gravity score. If it's a high gravity score, then that means that the product sells a lot and people make a lot of money off it. So you just go to gravity and you can just see which products are doing very well, and you can just decide what you want to do. For this example, I'm going to showcase a weight loss pill. So this was like Apolline was like really hot last year or 2 years ago, but since then it's like chilled out some, but still I'm going to use this for this example. And they have products for wealth and money management and love and diet pills. So those are probably the three things that sell the most, because those are the three things that people want to change in their lives. But okay, so I'm going to show people in this video. I'm going to show you how to basically make a little mini video out of the product, and then how to try to get some sales. So every time you go, you just hit the promote, and then it'll generate an affiliate link. So it's your own affiliate link. So whenever people click it and then they buy something from the link, you get paid. You get paid a commission. So okay, so what I did here was okay, first things first. If you haven't made a ClickBank account, just make a ClickBank account. It's free. Yeah, you don't have to pay anything for it. So after that, you go to choose what product that you want to sell. So say if you're doing like a weight loss, body sculpting, gym page, and then you want to sell, that would be a good thing to sell this product, right? So anyways, what you want to do is you go to Apolline, you go to there is a main page for it, right? But I wasn't able to copy anything because you can't just copy and paste. That's what I was trying to do originally, but see, it doesn't copy anything, so that means this is like more like a picture. So anyways, whatever. You go here, I went to LinkedIn, I found one at LinkedIn. Go here, you just go here and you copy this. Copy the description. Okay. Then you go to ChatGPT. I already did this one time, but I'm going to do it again. Oh, whatever. I just pasted here and I said rewrite this. So I had ChatGPT rewrite what I just copied from LinkedIn, and then it gave me this. So now I'm going to do this. I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to go to pictory.ai. Go to script to video. There is a free trial, and it's really cool with what you could do on Pictory. It's really awesome. Paste. It's gonna do its thing. Basically, whatever you type in here, it basically creates a video to whatever you typed. This can be used for anything, not just weight loss, but literally anything. If you want to do videos for like job training or whatever, it's pretty amazing. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video for Pictory. You do get a 14-day trial for free. And then after that, it's like 20 or 25 bucks a month. Okay, got it. Cool. Go to audio. It already made the video for us. You can choose what music you want or no music. So, there's a lot of stuff you can choose from. Right now, since this is a demo, I'm not going to put music to it.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Alright. Alright. And it already made the video. You can go and change each individual video slide, which is really cool, and just completely customize it how you wish. Yeah, alright. Just hit the preview. So what I did was, well, I'll tell you guys in a second.
Alpilean is a cutting-edge weight loss supplement designed to regulate body temperature and enhance the rate of calorie burning at rest. This contributes to effective and healthy weight loss. Here's an eye-opening fact about belly fat. It can accumulate over time due to a significantly slowed metabolism. Often, a reduced internal core temperature results in a sluggish metabolism. Therefore, gaining weight despite adhering to a strict exercise and diet routine might not be entirely your fault. Thanks to Alpilean's well-researched formula, you can now effortlessly shed stubborn body fat. Curious to know more? Keep reading to discover everything you need to know.
And that is that. So you can go and you just download it if you want. I'm gonna exit out. But basically, after that, you could just change this however many times you want. You can get ChatGPT to rewrite it if you want again, and then paste it again in there, and then it'll make a whole different video. Or you can just go customize whatever videos that you want in there, and that's pretty much that. So what I did was I made a website. Okay, this is the official website. Okay. And then if you go to order, it'll take you here, right? So what I did was I made a website. This is mine, right? Okay. And then when you go to click to order, I linked it so the customer automatically is on the official Alpilean website and they can pay. So say if I wanted, if I had a weight loss themed whatever, TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, whatever, and I was just really trying to sell this pill to get a commission, basically, that's basically what I would do. I would just create not just Alpilean videos, but focused around diet, weight loss, whatever. Create a theme page, and then make videos like this. Once you actually get the say if you use Pictory, right? Once you get on the plan, then it'll erase all the watermarks, of course. So, and then after that, you don't necessarily have to make a website, but I'm gonna go into detail about how to make a website in a few videos. I'm gonna do another part 2, which is probably gonna be around a different product, similar niche, same niche probably. And but that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, you know. You can do a lot, and Pictory is definitely worth it. I mean, you can just choose any niche and any niche, of course, and basically make these really cool videos. You can make videos for companies, whatever. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. The next one, I'm gonna put one out, probably a part 2 to this, and then I'm gonna start going into the websites and how to do that. Yeah, so cool. Alright, I'm gonna post another one soon. Part 2 will be coming out in a few days. Alright, peace.